received physical and financial injuries.
The lady that was driving didn't speak any English.
Police reports show the other driver had no insurance, no valid license.
Really, the only three things that she was able to say was, "I'm sorry, I have no license, I have no insurance."
He's left holding the medical bills, the car repair bills, and left wondering how many others are out there.
No valid driver's license, no valid driver's license, no valid driver's license.
Do you have a driver's license?
Inside Denver's traffic court, we learned the answer is many.
430 traffic. 430 court. Recorded 430. Stop here to look at your name on the board.
Charges are 3-point no valid driver's license.
Jorge De La Cruz has offended 3 different times.
All right, then what is your plea?
Guilty.
Court records show De La Cruz driving without a license and insurance in May 2004, driving without a license and insurance in February 2006, and in October 2006, again, driving without a license.
You don't have a license?
I have the Mexican license.
But you don't have a license to drive in Colorado?
Minutes after his guilty plea, we found him behind the wheel of his car.
So the rules don't matter?
No, yeah.
And he drove away without a license, without a license plate.
You told the officer you lived here 6 years, so how do you plead to the charge of driving without a valid license?
Guilty.
Israel Gonzalez's record includes driving without a license 2 times in 2006. Again, minutes after leaving the courtroom, we found him in the driver's seat.
So you have no license?
No.
Why are you driving?
Driving without a valid license, second conviction.
Guilty.
And Urbano Bustos told the magistrate he has driven for 5 years without a license, without insurance.
¿Tiene una licencia?
Yes. Está from Mexico.
Mexico?
Yes.
You were going to get in the car and drive?
Yes.
Right? You just told the judge you didn't have a license.
And a few minutes later,
You're still going to drive off?
They're obviously ignoring the system.
presiding judge Andy Armadas
Well, it's very disturbing.
and Denver Police Detective Nick Rogers reviewed what we found.
Are they mocking the system? Are they mocking the laws of our country?
Well, I think anybody who comes to court and drives away, regardless of where they're from, if you want to categorize it mocking, I guess they are mocking.
You were just in court, right?
Yes.
Driving without a license?
Yes.
3 times?
No, first time.
No, that's not true. We get paperwork right here.
3 times?
3 times. Your name.
Too many for me.
Somebody needs to take this as a serious problem, and they need to deal with it. They're not being held accountable.
When you drive off, you're going to break the law. You understand that? So the question is, why are these unlicensed drivers not in jail or facing deportation? The simple answer, according to the judge, is overcrowded jails. We've asked immigration officials, Denver's mayor, and Denver magistrates to review tonight's and today's investigation. The men who drove off are really only a portion of the problem, and here's what we have to stress. Perhaps most importantly, they're playing a legal system that's clearly allowing it to happen. Bottom line, the story has been very polarizing with a lot of email from both sides.